Do you ever stare at a blank email, not sure what to say? Today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write any email in seconds. Welcome to AI for your mom, where we make AI simple for everybody, everywhere, even your mom. Let's say you want to draft an email to your doctor asking for a prescription refill. Click into the message box in the bottom of your screen and start by explaining the situation. I take 10 milligrams of blood pressure medication and I ran out yesterday. Now tell ChatGPT to draft your email. Write a polite email to my doctor asking for a refill. You can also add details like your doctor's name and your pharmacy location. Just avoid putting very sensitive personal information. Keep it general like we are here. Press enter, and your email is written for you. If you want changes, just type them in the prompt box. You can say, make it shorter, or make it friendlier. Now let's use this email. Take your mouse, click and drag it over the text. Right-click and click Copy. Now open an email, right-click, and paste. Here you can make any minor edits that might still be needed. And that's it! No more staring at a blank screen. Don't forget to download my AI for your mom cheat sheet and starter guide in the description below. And like and subscribe for more simple AI tips anyone can use.